This is a look at the genuine Mansfield 08-10 plastic ball cock. It comes with the fill valve itself, the supply line nut, the nut to secure the valve to the tank, the ball rod, and the replenish tube. There's also a list of installation instructions here. Get a few measurements here. This is the ball rod. And then the supply line nut here. And this is the nut that will go on the valve itself. The gasket here is also included. Get a few measurements here. And then the replenish tube would go right here on the valve. And then this clip would clip onto the flush valve. And once again, this is the genuine Mansfield 08-10 fill valve.